Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with Bisal. So from today, we will be diving into the world of Node.js. So I'm planning to create a complete playlist on Node.js and this will be my introduction video. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all my coding tutorials. So let's get started. So what is Node.js? Node.js is an open-source server-side JavaScript runtime built on the Chrome's V8 engine. So what do I mean by this? This means JavaScript running outside of a browser. Isn't that amazing, guys? Just like Python, Java, Ruby, we are able to execute the native JavaScript code outside of a browser. Well, to learn more about JavaScript, we first need to learn the fundamental differences between JavaScript and Node.js. So let's see that. As we all know, JavaScript was initially introduced to add interactivity to websites. Like it is executed within a web browser to manipulate web page content and user interaction. So just for creating dynamic and responsive user interfaces, we used to use JavaScript. But with the introduction of Node.js, Node.js has really extended the use of JavaScript beyond the browser. So now it's a server-side runtime that allows you to run JavaScript on the server, and that helps us to create scalable and efficient network applications. So Node.js comes up with a built-in package manager called the Node Package Manager, that is the NPM. So which provides access to a vast ecosystem of libraries and tools for various tasks. So now let's talk about the key concept of Node.js, non-blocking in nature. Node.js uses an event-driven non-blocking I/O model. This means that instead of writing for operations like reading files or making network requests to complete, Node.js continues executing other tasks. So this approach is well suited for handling many concurrent connections efficiently. Modules. Node.js uses a module system to organize code into reusable pieces. Each module encapsulates specific functionality, making it easier to maintain and scale applications. Asynchronous programming. JavaScript's asynchronous nature is essential in Node.js for managing tasks like file I/O and network requests without blocking the main execution thread. I assume you guys are well familiar with the JavaScript execution context. So these are all achieved through callbacks, promises, and the newly introduced ES6 syntax async await. Event loop. The event loop is the core of the JavaScript or the Node.js. It continuously checks for new events such as an incoming request and executes their associated callbacks, making Node.js well suited for handling real-time applications. Now let's talk about the use cases of Node.js. Web servers. Node.js is frequently used to build fast and scalable web servers. It is well suited for handling a large number of concurrent connections efficiently. APIs. Node.js can power APIs that serve data to client applications, allowing for real-time updates and efficient data processing. Real-time applications. Real-time applications like chat applications, online gaming, and collaborative tools benefit from Node.js event-driven architecture. Microservices. Node.js can be used to create a lightweight, standalone microservices that can work together to build a complex applications. Well, since Node.js maintains the JavaScript syntax and code principle, so if you are familiar with JavaScript, you can quickly start building with Node application. The same language is used for both client-side and the server-side development, allowing developers to transition skills seamlessly between the web and the server development. Now, talking about the installation process, go to your browser and in your URL bar search for nodejs.org and then go to the downloads tab. Then you will see different downloading option for different operating system. So mine operating system is Windows, so I selected the 64-bit installer. So you need to download this. So after downloading and following all the installation process, we need to verify if the node is properly installed in our machine. So a very simple way to verify is opening your command prompt and typing the command. So if you see v18.16 something like this, then this means the Node.js is successfully installed in your local machine. So now we are able to execute our Node.js application. And more is we need a text editor. So head over to the browser and search for VS Code. So I guess this is the ideal text editor for most of you guys. So just go to this official site and download the VS Code. And after successfully downloading it, you need to set up a directory in your VS Code. So I have set a directory in my VS Code. And then now the first thing is to create a JS file. So to create a JS file, you need to click on new file and give it a name. Let us suppose index.js. So one cool feature about Node.js is you don't need to associate this JS file to HTML file. Since it is not running in the browser but in the server, you don't need to attach this JS file to a HTML file. But it uses the same JS syntax to execute the code. For example, for logging into the console, what do we use in JavaScript? Console.log, right? So we use the same here, console.log, and we give a string. So let us print hello world. And here comes the crucial part to execute this Node.js code. Simply open your terminal, go to this exact path, or you can use the integrated terminal of the VS Code. So to open the integrated terminal, just click on the three dots here, then go onto the terminal and click on new terminal. So now the syntax is typing node and then the file name, which in my case is the index.js. With, as you can see, the string hello world is printed onto my console and not in the web browser. So here you go guys, we have finally done our hello world program in the Node.js. So this much for this video guys. See you in the next one. Take care.